Mustang coupe.
This has got a 440, right? 460, a 460. I don't know why I said 440. It's a
V8.
It's a 460.
Got a 9-inch rear end.
Right, 9-inch rear end is like the quintessential rear end for everybody. Everybody loves the Ford 9-inch rear end. All race car drivers, everybody. This has a.
Believe it or not, this does not have a clear coat at all on it.
Really?
It's all original. This was personally detailed to make it shine underneath these lights.
Wow, that's cool.
Customer loved it. It came out beautiful, and it still looks good. And this was done a long ago when I just first started.
Yeah, I wouldn't have known that there wasn't clear coat on that. It's got a C4 trans, so it's a 3-speed automatic, guys, which makes it much easier to drive. So that's a selling.
It's loud, and the sound of it is just
We're not allowed to start up cars inside, are we?
No.
I had to check.
Due to NFPA standards, which you would know too.
Well, somewhat.
Somewhat.
Yes, somewhat.
They're a little behind.
It took me a little while to set the spray booth, but that's a whole other story. But there's the interior. Wow, that's a big shifter, man. That's a huge knob. And there's the bar, painted a gray. And there's the tail end.
There's also a kill switch on it.
Where's the
So in
kill?
order to start the kill switch.
Where's the kill switch? Oh, it's
Kill
usually,
switch is in the back.
oh, it's hidden, right? Or well, let's not show it because somebody might be buying this car. Somebody will watch this video, recognize the car, and that wouldn't be good.
Here.
And here is the engine compartment. And that's bone stock, man. That's a bone stock engine. It's got patina on it. Patina to me is when it's showing its age and it's just left clean. And some people love that, some people don't. Depends on your taste. Boy, look at those oil filters. Those dual oil filters come really close to that pulley. I just noticed this stuff. MSD. And there's the MSD. Oh my gosh, I forgot what it's called. What is that called? What is it? Oh, distributor. No. Oh my gosh. Oh.
It looks like a distributor.
This is one of those moments where I wish I edited my video out so I didn't look so dumb. But again, senior moment. You guys can all tell me what that is. Distributor. Yeah, distributor. Beautiful. All right. So this is the asking price on this car, Amanda?
It is $35,995.
$35,995 for a AC Cobra tribute car with a big block, and it's here at
Gateway Classic Cars of Philadelphia showroom.
You're just faking that you're not good on video. I know you're good on video. All right, here we go.
Well, it's just because you're here for now.
Oh, no,
Wait till
don't.
you see one by myself.
No, you're going to do great. You're going to do great.